I walk on what I feel. Oh, man. I have to go from here.
Baha. Assembly.
Oh, complete. Oh, direct. Correct one. I got point. I got a phone. What can you put here? Ow.
Bro. Okay, Jojo. Chafu ko bro ko chafu re. Chapo si difeso mo si difeso punya Jojo na. Oh. Semble fait photo va y. Ya bravo. Bravo. Yo no vas a mi casa mi algo. Te bien.
Avram, good morning. Bruh, I believe in you for a very long time and I believe you can let go of this message for me. Abraham Obra Volta Region, both MPP and NDC are not helping Voltarians at all. We don't know if we are part of the country. Me say, Uba Keta area wa. Ube who the way I see no aji kwano and like they don't have any, it's as if it's an island. They don't have any place to stay again. Very, very, very bad. When who say see no, it have come close to the road. Very, very close to the road. So even the next time it will pop up again, and it will destroy the road. And even people from Keta can't go to Aflao again. This is what people we've been suffering for so many years. They've been deceiving us. They will only come and share 50 Ghana for each and they will not talk again. They only use 50 Ghana to just like calm everything down, like keep people their mouth shout. And our people too, I don't understand them. Problem we are going through for so many years. How will people use 50 cities to just like, shout your challenge? I don't know, Avram. We are suffering. We want the government to come to our aid. This is what they've been deceiving us. They will only bring 50 Ghana, 20 Ghana, some rice, and that ends it. Avram, intervene for us, please.